Hey everyone, welcome to my mobile application, and in this class I'm going to help you to understand about what are the points, what are the content that I covered in our training. I uploaded more than 35 hours content, means we have enough topic to learn about Azure Administrator Services. Let me help you to understand about what are the module, what are the services that I covered in the entire training. So I'm going to share my screen and try to help you to understand about the practicals and theoretical that I covered. So as we know that Azure Administrator, the course code for Azure Administrator is AZ-104. In Azure AZ-104, it is categorized in 5 different modules, right? The first module is started from Microsoft Azure Identity and Governance. It's correlated to the Azure Active Directory. In this module, we will discuss about all services related to Azure Active Directory, like what is Azure AD, what are the usage of users and group, how to configure multi-factor authentication, how to set up SSPR for our Active Directory user. We'll discuss about the concept of custom domain, Azure AD Connect to synchronize the users from on-premises AD to Azure AD. We'll discuss about the concept of Azure AD Join to register our on-premises client machine over a Azure portal. We'll talk about the policies in module first. Once we complete the part of module first, we'll move ourselves to second module, and it's correlated to implement and manage storage that help you up to 15 to 20% question in final examination. As per the name suggests, in storage part, we'll provide you already uploaded the video based on practical how to utilize our Azure storage, set up the storage account, and create the blob, container, file share, file synchronization. Each and every practical already uploaded in class, in day-to-day class that available in our application. And after storage services, we'll discuss about compute resources that help you 20 to 25% in final examination. That really helpful to understand about how to manage virtual machines over a Azure portal. You will learn about the different types of Azure virtual machines, like as on-demand VM, and you can create a virtual machine using dedicated and reservation virtual machine skill set. So you will learn about the gap between these types. Those types can help us to create virtual machines. After virtual machine, we'll discuss about the networking, one of important topic that can also help you 20 to 25% in final examination. To configure virtual network like VNet, network security group, what is Bastion service. We'll discuss about load balancers, number of load balancers are available, how to configure VNet pairing, the difference between VPN, Azure VPN and ExpressRoute, and how to implement VPN to make a communication between on-premises to Azure resources. Next, last topic, monitor and maintain Azure resources that help us to take the backup of our virtual machine, storage, or another services. It will also help you in case of monitor and create alert. Right, so these all are the modules that we will cover in our training. So I have already uploaded, it's a live recording session that will help you in case of question and answer as well. If we explore like prerequisite, so in case of prerequisite, you should know about manage identity and governance, implement manage storage, right? So we'll start from the identity and management. Then implement storage, deploy, manage compute resources. These all are the points we will cover, like describe Active Directory benefits and Active Directory concept, the difference between on-premises AD and Azure AD. Each and every point will give you. I already uploaded role-based access control, RBAC services, about the groups and users in Active Directory, how to use the role-based access control means RBAC to provide the access of our services. So these all are the points that you will learn in this particular class, in this particular course, and it's a 100% practical based training. So definitely will help you to clear the examination of AZ-104, and it will also help you in case of if you are preparing yourself for the interview, especially for Azure administrators. So this is all information, guys. I hope everything is okay, and I'm available for you 24/7. If you feel like any issues, you can just drop a message or WhatsApp. Definitely will reach you. That's it, guys. Thank you so much, and let's connect in our class.